I'm Joseph Yacino, Yada Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate milkshake. 3 things you need. You need milk, about 125 mils, that's a half cup. 3 scoops of chocolate, about 170 grams, 6 ounces. 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, that's 30 mils. Into your mixing container, you have your milk. Pour in your chocolate syrup. How good does this look? Now, I'm using a handheld mixer. You can use whatever type you like. Now, if you want a thicker milkshake, put more ice cream. But I think you'll find this is the tastiest chocolate milkshake. Here you go, a delicious chocolate milkshake. I'm in the kitchen of the Party Penthouse, 4040 Galt Ocean Drive. I'm Joseph Yacino.